Hey, hi everyone, welcome to EasyMath, and this video we are going to learn how to solve linear equations in one variable. So let's start with this example. We have x minus 6 is equal to 8. Now in order for us to solve this problem or this equation, we are just going to isolate the terms which has the variables that we are looking for like x and the constants by using the properties of equality. Now we have negative 6 here as the constant. So we are just going to find its additive inverse. So what is the additive inverse of negative 6? So it's just positive 6. So we are just going to add both sides by positive 6. So now just operate the indicated operations. So negative 6 plus 6 is just equal to 0. So we just cancel this out. Now we have x is equal to 8 plus 6. We have 14. So the correct answer is x is equal to positive 14. Okay. So we have another example. Y plus 9 is equal to 15. Okay. Wait. 9 is equal to 15. So now we are just going to find the additive inverse of our constant, which is the positive 9. So the additive inverse of positive 9 is just negative 9. So we're just going to add both sides by its additive inverse, which is negative 9. Okay, so we have positive 9 plus negative 9 is just equal to 0. So we are going to cancel this out. So we have y is equal to 15 plus negative 9 is just equal to we have positive 6. So the correct answer is y is equal to negative 6. So we'll have another example. So try this for yourself. N, we have n plus 5 is equal to 10. And also b minus 2 is equal to 8. Okay, so feel free to pause this video. Okay, so now we are just going to find the additive inverse of positive 5. So the additive inverse of positive 5 is just negative 5. So we are going to add both sides by negative 5. Okay. So now we can just cancel this out. So we have n is equal to 10 plus negative 5 is just equal to 5. So the final answer is n is equal to positive 5. Here we have to find the additive inverse of negative 2, which is positive 2. So we're just going to add both sides by its additive inverse. And then we're just going to cancel this out. So we have b is equal to 8 plus 2 is just equal to 10. So the final answer is positive 10. So let's have another example. We have a minus 4 is equal to 20, and also c minus 5 is equal to 3. Okay, so first we need to find the additive inverse of negative 4. So it's just positive 4. So we're just going to add both sides by 4. Okay, so we have negative 4 plus 4 is just 0. So we can cancel this out. So we have a is equal to 20 plus 4 is just 24. So the correct answer is a is equal to positive 24. Okay, this one we have negative 5 as the constant. So we're just going to find the additive inverse of negative 5. So the additive inverse of negative 5 is just positive 5. So we're just going to add both sides by 5. So we can cancel this out. So we have c is equal to 3 plus 5 is just equal to 8. So the correct answer is C is equal to positive 8. Okay. So now let's try another example, where A is not equal to 1. So we have here 3x is equal to 12. Now as we can see, there is a coefficient 3. No? So first thing we need to understand is to find x, we need to isolate the x alone, no? Not the term. So we are just going to get rid with the coefficient by dividing it both sides. So we just divide 3 both sides. Then we can cancel this out. So we have x is equal to 12 divided by 3 is just equal to 4. So the correct answer is x is equal to positive 4. Okay. Let's have another example where a is not equal to 1. We have 2x plus 5 is equal to 11. Now this is a combination of what we did earlier. No? So we're just going to find the additive inverse of positive 5. So the additive inverse of positive 5 is equal to negative 5. So we're just going to add both sides by negative 5, like so. And positive 5 plus negative 5 is just equal to 0, so we can cancel that out. So we're going to bring down to x, and 11 plus negative 5 is just equal to 6, positive 6. Now as you can see, this is just the same as this example here. So just going to get rid of the coefficient, which is 2. So just divide both sides by 2. Then we have x is equal to x divided by 2 is just equal to 3. So the correct answer is x is equal to positive 3. So let's have another example. 4y minus 3 is equal to 13, and also 7 is equal to z minus 9. So feel free to pause this video and solve it for yourself. So now, first we need to find the additive inverse of negative 3, which is positive 5 or positive 3. So we're just going to add both sides by positive 3. So we have like this. And we can cancel this out. Negative 3 plus 3 is just 0. So we can bring down 4y plus 13 plus 3 is just equal to 16. So to get rid with the coefficient, we're just going to divide both sides by 4. Okay. So we have y is equal to 16 divided by 4 is just equal to 4. So the correct answer is y is equal to 4. Okay. So here we have another example. We have 7 equals z minus 9. So this is the same as saying z minus 9 is equal to 7, right? Because this is an equation. So we can solve this using the second version of our equation. So we're just going to find the additive inverse of negative 9. So the additive inverse of negative 9 is just positive 9. So we're just going to add both sides by positive 9. And we can cancel this out. So we have z is equal to 7 plus 9 is just equal to 16. Okay, so the correct answer is z is equal to 16. Okay, we have another example. We have 3x minus 2 is equal to 10, and also we have negative 5 plus 2a equals 9. Okay, feel free to pause the video and solve it for yourself. Okay, so now we're just going to find the additive inverse of our constant, which is negative 2. So we have positive 2. So we are just going to add both sides by positive 2. Then we can safely cancel this out. So we have 3x is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So we can get rid with our coefficient by dividing both sides by 3. So we have, and cancel this out. So we have x is equal to 12 divided by 3 is just equal to 4. So the correct answer is x is equal to 4. Now another example, we have negative 5 plus 2a is equal to 9. So our constant here is the negative 5, right? So we are just going to find its additive inverse. No? So our additive inverse is just positive 5. So we are going to add both sides by 5 or positive 5. So we can cancel this out. So we have 2a equals 9 plus 5 is just equal to 14. So we can get rid with the coefficient. So divide it by 2 both sides. So we have a is equal to 14 divided by 2 is just equal to 7. So the correct answer is a is equal to 7. Okay, so let's have another example. 4b plus 8 is equal to 16. So now we are just going to find the additive inverse again. So the additive inverse of the positive 8 is just negative 8. So we're just going to add both sides by negative 8. So, and we can cancel this out. So we have 4b is equal to 16 plus negative 8 is just equal to positive 8. So by dividing both sides by the coefficient, we can get rid with the coefficient. So divided by 4 both sides, so we have b is equal to 8 divided by 4, we can get 2. So the correct answer is b is equal to positive